Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department. Today I would like to share some of the furniture decoration to you. First, for the young person, nowadays the young people are more like the simple design, like the logical style of the furniture, like this set in our site. We can see this is the round shape and it has a very simple structure, so it's more like for the young people. And the second, for the European market, nowadays these markets are more like to use the boxwood, which means the artificial wood on the tabletop or on the armrest, because it will be more eco-friendly and the cost will be low. So if you have any questions, you can contact with us, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. See you later, bye.